Hey guys, what's up? There is not much update about our black prints except dito sa 3 leaves niya na about to dry. Pero hindi pa natin siya tatanggalin dahil hindi pa naman siya ganun ka tuyo. So ayun, ang update natin kay black prints. Welcome back to my channel, at kung bago ka lang dito sa channel na ito, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-subscribe ka na, at the same time, hampasin mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka kapag mag-upload tayo ng panibagong content. This weekend will be gorgeous because it will bring us nothing but joy. It's a juicy weekend though because in today's video, we will going to try healthy juice drink. Intro. Yes guys, tama ang inyong narinig. It's a juicy weekend because in today's video, we will going to review and try CASY International Nature Food Healthy Juice Drink. This video is presented to you by CASY International. So yun nga guys, now many of us are willing to pay more for the health benefits of the juices that we are purchasing, especially those health-conscious consumers. One consideration that we look into is the way they process it, which is known to better preserve the flavor and of course the micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals. That is why Healthy Juice Drink from CASY International use a dehydration process in extracting the juices from the source. And it is also my first time to try an 8-in-1 juice drink. It has Moringa, Mangosteen, Cinamon, Turmeric, Stevia, sweetener, Jute or saluyot, and Spirulina, which is an aid for weight loss. And it comes with collagen. So ayun guys, no, in front is the picture form of the main ingredients. At the back is the written form, which I noticed there is an additional familiar fruits included: orange extract, mango, guava, pineapple. And there is also refined cane sugar. So which means this is not only a, on top of the main ingredients, there is an additional fruit juices or extracts that they included in this juice. And I find it interesting. So ayun, dito sa kanilang packaging nakasulat din yung directions on how to prepare it. Pwede mo siyang gawin into cold or lukewarm water. Ang juice guys ay majority preferred, no, or gusto ng kahit anong ages. Though hindi lahat ng juices ay pwede sa lahat. No, what I mean is, itong juice drink na to is intended for adult only. Hindi siya recommended para sa mga bata, sa buntis, at sa lactating women. Of course, sa storage, kailangan mo siyang ilayo sa direct heat of sunlight. Also, on this side, it is written here the manufacturing date and of course, the expiry date. Other side of the box, nandito yung meaning ng CASY: create and aspire success while young. So guys, it is in a pink packaging. It creates compassionate feels and comforting impression for me. At the same time, it's very feminine in color because it's pink. I assume that the main target market of this product is adult female. Like the coffee product that we reviewed last week from the same brand, acceptable na sa akin yung kanyang packaging or yung outer form ng kanyang packaging. So I am expecting also that the sachet has no label like the other product that we reviewed last week, and they are the same. 10 din sachet ang laman ng isang box. So titingnan natin. I-open na natin to guys. Naka-sealed. So let's open this and see what's inside. Oh, merong pinag-iba. Pansin niyo ba guys kung ano nga iba? For the juice product, it comes with gold packaging. Tama yung ating expectation na pareho lang sila na walang label. But this one is gold. So, kung silang dalawa yung itatabi mo yung kanilang coffee at saka itong juice drink nila, ma-identify mo naman. Tandaan mo lang na yung kanilang coffee ay silver, yung kanyang sachet color, at yung kanilang juice ay gold. So, 10. Bibilangin natin, no?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 sachets. So, ayun guys, no? Meron siyang 10 sachets. So, I'm so excited to try this kasi nga, this is my first time to try 8-in-1 juice. Pinakamarami lang na ingredients na juice na na-try ko ay yung 4 seasons. This time, it includes vegetable naman kay Nature Superfood. So, dahil excited tayo, let's do the magic again, guys. Anong magic ang gagawin natin? Kakaroon to ng juice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Magic is done. So, nandito na yung ating juice, no? As expected, may nakikita tayong Moringa dito sa kanilang juice drink. So, ganun talaga, it's siguro siya and it's an edible Moringa leaves. Okay ang lasa nito. Let's do this. So, ayun guys, we will going to review this product into 4 categories again. So, we will have the smell, sweetness, flavor, and the aftertaste. The smell. So, the smell, it seems like inviting yung kanyang amoy, pero hindi siya ganun ka-loud yung kanyang smell. Kunyari dito ako, hindi ko maamoy. Ilalapit mo lang. Yun, medyo maamoy mo siya na medyo fruity or medyo inviting. Parang it says na drink me. Parang ganun. So sweetness, try natin. Let's have some. Medyo matamis siya. Maybe because this product use 2 types of sweetener. Meron silang refined cane sugar at merong stevia. I don't know kung bakit nga ba dalawa yun. Maybe there is a reason behind it kung bakit dalawa yung kanilang sweetener. Or the flavor naman. Kinalimutan agad yan. For the flavor, parang comparable siya sa 4 seasons with a twist. Maybe because there is a cinnamon, at the same time meron din siyang turmeric. Yung moringa dito, hindi ko naman siya masyadong na-identify. Parang nandun yung orange, mango, guava, and pineapple. Parang yun yung nalalasahan ko dito sa kanya. Pag uminom ka ng 4 season, parang ganun ang kanyang lasa with a twist nga. For the aftertaste naman guys, sweet, parang medyo nandun yung tamis. Dahil din siguro sa dami ng fruit extracts na nandun dito, kaya mararamdaman mo yung kanyang tamis. Pero ang ganda ng color niya, kasi kasi it's dark pink, parang fuchsia, parang gano'n ang kanyang color. Ang ganda. Kasi understand the purpose of this juice. Sa pamamagitan nitong spirulina, kasi ang spirulina is known as aid for weight loss, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So, possible na ang purpose naman na nito ay to have a weight loss and of course, become healthy. So, sugar is okay siguro kung mas lower yung kanyang sugar level. I would recommend this of course kasi nga dahil sa kanyang mga ingredients na I find it healthy naman. Like for example, this Moringa, Mangosteen, no? And others. Yung spirulina, hindi siya masyadong familiar sa akin, kaya kiningnan ko din to kung ano to. It's an algae. Nabanggit natin kanina, it's an aid to have a weight loss. And let's go to our usual trivia. Trivia time! So stevia, no, is one of the ingredients of this product, and it is part of a sunflower family. It is an intense, sweet tasting plant that has been used to sweeten the beverages since the 16th century. And of course, stevia is originally native in Paraguay and Brazil, but it is now also grown in Japan and in China. Statistica.com named Brazil as the largest sugar producing country in 2019, followed by India. Well then, of course, sugar not only comes in stevia, but it also comes in other form or in other plant like sugar cane. Na isa din sa ingredients nitong Nature Superfood, meron siya dito refined cane sugar. So nanggaling ito doon, tubo. That is, I guess, the most common sugar is the sugar from the sugarcane. Sugarcane plant grow in a tropical countries like, for example, in the Philippines. So, yun guys. Well, of course, in the Philippines, guys, the leading producer of sugar is known also as the sugar bowl of the Philippines is Bacolod or Negros Occidental. So ayan guys, if you want to become a business partner of CASY International or official distributor of their product, you may contact them through their social media page and their website. I'm going to put that on the description down below. So that's it for today guys, and thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe at hampasin mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka when I upload new videos. And of course, stay sweet and healthy. Have a great weekend. And as always, please keep safe and see you around next time. Bye!